All right, here we are with check-in number 12. Um, so first off, I am extremely happy, um, especially right now at the close of this week with the score that I just received for the Chapter 15-16 exam. I definitely did not expect to do that well. Um, and I really just tried to focus on the basic equations that we were given and what we needed to for studying and through the example problems. And a lot of what I used, I think, to help me through this exam. Uh, well, first off, the Chapter 16 material was pretty straightforward, as it was a lot like statics and strength of materials in finding some of the forces in the x and y direction, some of the moments, the things that I really uh, that I felt like I had a better grasp on. So that was pretty straightforward, especially in the exam and on the homework. And I felt like I was able to get through the Chapter 16 homework a lot easier than previous homeworks, especially Chapter 15 with the cross product and how I just haven't used that really in a full year since ODEs. So the one thing that did help me and that I spent a lot of my time studying was going over the examples in the Chapter 15 video playlist. And one that really did help me was this one. It was example 5, which ended up being in my book, problem 164, where we were uh, essentially finding almost the exact same thing on the exam problem. But just in looking at this basic equation, the velocity of B that we were looking for, using the velocity at A plus capital omega cross R plus R dot, which R dot is the VB prime plus the velocity of B with respect to the frame. In using this and really just also this equation from the book, or these two equations here, the VB omega cross RB with respect to A. I think these kind of equations helped me to simplify things and not overcomplicate it, because that was one of the things that I struggled with in just trying to figure out the cross product and how to really use it. Again, just because I hadn't used it in a long time, and so it was a little difficult to grasp, and those two problems on Chapter 15 really did take me probably the most time. And so really just by being able to take my time, I think it really did help in understanding the material and what the problem was looking for. And as I simplified it to the basic equations, it did help me to actually see what I was looking for and what values went where and what I still needed to solve for in order to get those final answers. Moving forward through the next week and through the rest of the semester, basically, just going to be watching the videos, such as with the Chapter 17 and Chapter 19 videos, to get ready for their respective homework problem sets, just to try and finish this out strong. Yesterday I did start watching the Chapter 17 videos, but I didn't get too deep into it just due to, and there's my wonderful wife. Just thank you. And that is how I'm going to end this video. So here's to a wonderful week ahead of us.